Hey friends, I'm John, your carnivore teacher. If you eat out, travel, or just want to stay away from dodgy cooking oils, you're going to want to pay attention to this. Today I'm showing you how to use the app Seed Oil Scout to take control of your dining choices. Avoid seed oils and get clarity on what restaurants are cooking with. Number one, what is Seed Oil Scout? Seed Oil Scout is a mobile app on iOS or Android that acts like a map plus a database for restaurants and other food providers that either avoid seed oils or disclose the cooking fats they use. It's built for people who care about ingredient integrity, who are following a zero seed oil, carnivore, ancestral type diet, maybe keto, or simply don't want unidentified vegetable oils lurking in their meals. Within the app, you'll find listings of restaurants that claim to cook with cleaner fats like tallow, lard, avocado oil, olive oil, a community of users submitting reports on oils used, a search filter feature so you can find seed oil-free dining near you. Now, number two, where do we get this and how do you install it? If you're on your iPhone or an iPad, open the App Store, search Seed Oil Scout Healthy Dining. If you're on Android, head to Google Play, search the same and install it. Once installed, you'll create an account, which is your email or your sign up, and allow location access so the app can show you nearby dining spots. Make sure you allow notifications if you want to receive updates when new restaurants are added or when users submit new reports in your area. Does this app cost money? There's a free versus a paid version. Here's how the structure works. The app does have a free version, or at least a trial version, so you can browse some listings and get a feel for it. For instance, the App Store listing shows free download with in-app purchases. The paid subscription version is often called SOS Pro or something similar, which unlocks full features, extra filters, more restaurants, marketplace access, etc. According to Play Store data, in-app purchases entry appears. For example, monthly or yearly subscription, the App Store listing shows a 7-day free trial, then automatic renewal. On Android, Google Play, there are user reviews citing about $25 a year for a subscription after a trial. So if you're a casual user wanting basic info, the free tier may suffice. If you're serious about avoiding seed oils everywhere you go, traveling, eating out often, brand transparency, then the paid version may be worth your investment. So how do we apply this in real life? Here's a step-by-step use case of how you deploy the app. Step A, before going out to eat, open the app, allow your location, and search for restaurants in your city that are listed. Step B, use filters. Look for tags like seed oil free, grass-fed beef, healthy fats, depending on the app's features. The listing may show what cooking oils the restaurant uses. Step C, tap into the restaurant's listing. Check user-submitted comments or photos. You may, and I recommend that you call ahead and ask the kitchen, what oils do you cook things in? Is it just in pan-seared, sauces? Because seed oils are still ubiquitous. Step D, if you're there and you confirm they use good fats like butter and tallow, great. If not, either request a modification, ask for plain grilled meat with butter, or skip it. Step E, after the meal, you as a user can submit feedback in the app confirming what oil was used or suggesting a restaurant switch. This crowdsources the data and makes the directory stronger. The app encourages user contributions. Step F, use while traveling. If you're on the road or in a city, open the app, find seed oil free spots. This keeps you aligned with your diet and avoids the hidden risk of seed oils. So who should use it and when it might not be necessary? It's ideal for you if you follow a carnivore, ketogenic, ancestral zero seed oil diet. It's good if you eat out often and you want assurance about cooking fats. It's good if you travel or live in a metro area where you want to find restaurants aligned with your values. And it's good if you're committed not just to food, but ingredient integrity, quality fats, and avoiding all inflammatory seed oils. It might not be a necessary thing for you if you mostly cook at home and already control your oils. It might not be necessary if you live in an area where the app has very few listings. Some cities may be underrepresented and or if you don't eat out much. And it may not be necessary if you're budget conscious and you feel the free version gives you what you need. You may not need the paid tier if dining out is rare. So let's look at the pros and the cons, realistically. The pros, it adds transparency to dining choices. It helps you identify restaurants that align with seed oil-free cooking. It's crowdsourced. It allows you to contribute and benefit from other users' feedback. And it's a useful tool for staying consistent with a special way of eating that has zero seed oils when you're eating out. Now, what are the cons? Not all restaurants are listed, especially in smaller towns or rural areas, so there may be gaps. Reviews indicate some cities have few or no listings. Some users report bugs, missing features, or paywall after trial, so you may need to evaluate whether the paid version is even worth it. Even if a restaurant is listed as seed oil free, it's still wise to verify. The user-submitted nature of the data means occasional inaccuracies. Why does all this matter to you? You know I advocate for controlling what you eat, the fats you ingest, and staying away from all seed oils because they drive inflammation, metabolic issues, and disrupt your health. This app is a practical tool in your arsenal. It doesn't solve everything, but it guides you. It gives you a resource. When you're out and you don't have full control, you can still make informed choices. Download the app. Explore it, test it in your city, see if it's worth a subscription for your lifestyle. If you eat out often and want consistent seed oil-free meals, it likely is. So you want to stay sharp and stay conscious, and you'll always keep your edge. Now, personally, I tried this app. I used the free version for a while. It was kind of cool. It had some inaccuracies. Then it asked me to start subscribing and paying, and I deleted the app because I cook mostly at home. I also am very confident with my ability to call ahead and ask, do you use vegetable seed oil? And I list them: canola, corn, cottonseed, soybean oil. And do you put it in the pan? Do you rub it on the meat? Is it on the grill? And then when I'm in the restaurant, I ask the same questions. And sometimes the cook or the manager walks right out to the table, actually a lot of times, to have a discussion with me. I trust that more than the app. But the app can be something that you add on or try. Check it out. It may be wonderful for your needs in your city. Thanks for watching. Click the bell icon when you click the thumbs up so that you get a notification that I'm putting out a new video every day, by the way. Share this with someone who wants to eat seed oil free and wants to try out the Seed Oil Scout app. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a question, a comment, a suggestion. Tell me if you use this and if it's beneficial or if you found it to be a waste of money. I don't know. You decide. And thanks. Have a really great day.